One of the fastest dinners you can prepare is sauerkraut and Kranskys. Continental sausages are fantastic to have in the fridge for very quick dinners, just like this. Now, in a pot, some white wine. Bring it to the boil along with some water. We'll now add the sauerkraut. And it's as simple as warming it up and then adding the Kranskys. And by adding the Kranskys to the sauerkraut, we're going to introduce some more flavour, that smoky flavour that we know so well with Kranskys. So in they go. And now no salt required because there's enough salt in the Kranskys. Lid goes on and just cook that for about 5 minutes essentially to warm everything up. And like I said, that is the fastest dinner you can ever do and it tastes super delicious.